Ever wondered why doctors and parents always insist on eating fruits, vegetables, and balanced diets? Well, let's dive into that. You see, our bodies are like superheroes, and just like superheroes, they need the right fuel to perform their best. That's where nutritious food for children comes into play. Imagine your body as a car. To get it running and keep it going, you need to fill it with the right kind of fuel. Fruits and vegetables are like that high-quality fuel, providing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. These help our bodies grow, keep our skin glowing, and our minds sharp. They give us the energy to run, play, and learn new things at school. Teaching kids about a balanced diet is like teaching them how to keep their car in top shape. It's not just about fruits and vegetables, but also includes proteins, grains, and dairy.
New videos every day. Subscribe to our channel.
So, we know that eating healthy is important, but how can we make it fun? Have you ever thought of fruits as nature's candy? They're sweet, juicy, and so much fun to eat. But did you know there are even more fun ways to enjoy these colorful treats? Let's explore some of them. Imagine a rainbow on a stick. That's exactly what fruit kebabs are. You can make them by threading pieces of different fruits onto a skewer. Strawberries, grapes, pineapple chunks, and blueberries are just a few options. The best part is, you can mix and match your favorite fruits to create your very own fruit kebab masterpiece. And remember, the more colors, the better. Now let's take this fun to another level. How about creating fruit faces on a plate? You can use slices of bananas for the eyes, a curved slice of apple for a mouth, and maybe some strawberries for rosy cheeks. It's like making art with your food, and then you get to eat your creation. But what if you could drink your fruit? Well, you can. By blending different fruits together, you can make a super tasty and nutritious fruit smoothie. You could try blending oranges, strawberries, and a banana for a sunrise smoothie. Or perhaps mix together blueberries, raspberries, and a splash of apple juice for a berry blast smoothie. It's like a flavor party in a glass. These are just a few fun ways to eat fruits. The possibilities are endless. You could even come up with your own exciting ideas. The important thing is to have fun while enjoying these nutritious foods for children. Fruits are not just nature's candy. They're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients our bodies need to stay strong and healthy. So the next time you're hungry for a snack, why not reach for some fruit and get creative? Remember, eating healthy can be a fun adventure. Fruits are not just tasty, but also packed with the good stuff our bodies need. But what about vegetables? Vegetables may not always be the first choice for a snack, but what if we could make them exciting? Well, buckle up for a veggie adventure because we're about to dive into a world where veggies are not just nutritious food for children, but also a source of fun and excitement. First off, let's talk about veggie pizza. No, it's not all about the cheese and pepperoni. Imagine a pizza where the crust is golden and crispy, the cheese is gooey and melting, and on top of that, you've got a rainbow of veggies. Red tomatoes, green bell peppers, yellow corn, purple onions. It's a color festival on a pizza. And the best part? You can make it at home with your favorite vegetables. Now, on to the second idea, creating a rainbow salad. You've heard about eating a rainbow, right? Well, it's not a fairy tale, it's a fun way to eat veggies. All you need is a bunch of different colored vegetables. Start with red tomatoes, add some orange carrots, yellow bell peppers, green cucumbers, and finish with some purple cabbage. Voila! You've got a vibrant, crunchy, and super nutritious salad. But wait, there's more. Have you ever thought of decorating a veggie dip platter? This is where your creativity can really shine. Choose a variety of colorful veggies like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Arrange them in a fun pattern around a bowl of your favorite dip. You can make a sunflower, a rainbow, or even a funny face. This is not just a fun way to eat veggies, but also a way to impress your friends at your next party. So, who said vegetables can't be fun? With these exciting ideas, you'll not only be adding nutritious food to your meals, but also having a blast while doing so. Remember, eating veggies isn't just about being healthy. It's about exploring new tastes, playing with colors, and unleashing your creativity in the kitchen. See, vegetables can be fun to eat too. Now let's bring it all together. Now that we know how to make fruits and veggies fun, how do we make sure we're eating a balanced diet? Well, creating a balanced diet is like painting a picture. Imagine your plate as a canvas and the foods you eat as the vibrant colors. First, let's talk about the food groups. We have fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. Think of these as the 5 main colors on your palette. A balanced diet means we're using all these colors in our painting, but not in equal amounts. Fruits and veggies should take up about half of our canvas. They're like the sky and the grass in our picture, covering a lot of space with their bright and varied colors. Next, we have grains. These are like the trees and houses in our picture. They don't take up as much space as the sky and grass, but our picture wouldn't be complete without them. Then we have proteins like meat, beans, and nuts. They're like the people and animals in our painting. Important, but not taking up too much space. Lastly, we have dairy. Think of it as the sun in our picture. We don't need a lot, but it brightens up our day. So when we're painting our meal, we want to make sure we use all these colors. It's not just about eating a lot of one thing, but a little bit of everything. Remember, a colorful plate is a healthy plate. So, are you ready to make eating healthy fun and exciting? Remember, we learned about the importance of nutritious food for children and how it keeps our bodies strong. We discovered fun ways to enjoy fruits and veggies, turning them into enjoyable treats. And let's not forget about the balanced diet we talked about, which combines all the yummy and healthy foods we need. Eating nutritious food can be fun, and it's the best way to keep our bodies strong and healthy. So let's make every bite count.
New videos every day. Subscribe to our channel.